If Microsoft Word keeps calling you author in track changes and you want to stop that from happening, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple way to change Word's privacy settings so your name is handled the way you want. This is especially useful if you're editing documents for work, sharing files with clients, or just want your tracked edits to look cleaner and more professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. All right, let's jump into it. First, open the Microsoft Word document where you've noticed the issue. Once the document is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. From there, go down and select Options. This will open the Word Options window, where you can change a variety of settings related to how Word behaves. On the left-hand side, click Trust Center. Then, on the right side, click Trust Center Settings. This opens the security and privacy controls for Microsoft Word. Now, inside the Trust Center, select Privacy Options. This is the section that controls how Word handles personal information, document properties, and privacy-related behavior when you save files. Here's the key step. Find the box labeled Remove Personal Information from File Properties on Save. If this box is checked, Word may strip or alter certain identifying details when saving documents, which can affect how your name appears in track changes and document metadata. To stop Word from doing that, simply uncheck the box. After that, click OK to confirm the change. Then click OK again in the Word Options window to make sure everything is saved properly. Once you've done that, Word should no longer behave in a way that causes your edits to be labeled in that generic author style because of that privacy setting. If you're working on important documents, it's always a good idea to save your file and test the change by making a small edit and checking track changes again. That way you can confirm the setting is working the way you want. And if you need to apply this on multiple computers, remember that this is a Word settings change, so you want to repeat it on each device you use. A quick tip here, if your organization manages Microsoft Word through company policies, some settings may be locked by your IT administrator, so if you can't change this option, that may be why. In that case, you may need to check with your workplace support team. Otherwise, for most personal and standard installations, this simple privacy setting change is enough to stop Word from calling you author in track changes. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick fix tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.